Today we're going to take a look at the Wiha Master Electrician Set. It's a rolling tool case, tool chest. You got 80 pieces, fully insulated, 1,000 volt rated, 1,000 volt tested to VDE specifications. It's going to help you meet compliance at the job site. Let's take a look at it.
A lockable, waterproof rolling tool case holds 4 custom molded trays designed to protect and transport your tools safely. There are 10 sets of insulated Wiha pliers included, ranging from long nose to adjustable pliers wrenches. Phillips, slotted, Torx, square, and terminal block screwdrivers make up 27 drivers in the set. The combined 12 nut drivers are solid core and are a combination of 5 metric and 7-inch sizes. Insulated L key in 10mm and 1/2 inch, a Category 4 voltage detector, a 50mm insulated cable knife, and 2-meter ruler in inch and metric complete the set.